Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. We finally made it! It is October 31st. We are done. But enough of me talking. I know y'all just want to get to the magic. What are we doing today? What are we doing? And this style I've been saving because I thought it was really cute. So hopefully it works for me. If it doesn't, I will cry. Not on camera because like why, but like I will cry. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Okay. So we're gonna take our bangs and we're gonna twist them together because we do not want to disturb these, okay? We don't want to make a mess with these. So we're gonna leave these. Okay. Right now what we're gonna focus on is parting. So hopefully my head is able to do this. We will see. But I'm parting my sections into 3, so I'm gonna have 6 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, and then 3. 3 is my little yeah. I'm just like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. I'm gonna start at the bottom first. I'm going to take my Eco Styler. Oops. Gel the base up. Brush the base. And then I'm going to rubber band it. Okay. Same with this bottom. Gel the base. Brush the base. Rubber band. Okay. So we got my 2 bases. Let's try a loose band too. I like. Okay, we're gonna do loose Bantus. I like. Okay, so loose. Okay. So we got our 2 in the back. Now I'm gonna do this one. I'm saving the middle for last because I gotta do a twist to it. Are we ready to bun? Okay, so remember loose Bantus. Okay, now for the middle. Okay, so we got One. Okay, got both of those. This is gonna be the thickest one. This one a little thick. I did it. I did it. Okay, and now for the bank. I'm definitely gonna re-wet it. Even though I kind of like the long look, but since I wet it, it's definitely not gonna be like long. But I'm gonna eco style the base, and I'm gonna twist. Twist, 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 twist. Oh gosh, I just lost the twist. I lied. I want my hair to be straight, like not straight, but like long for this style. I feel like a long twist would definitely do wonders. Yes, like that. Yay! So let's pray and hope that this one does the same. Cause yeah, I'm just getting my eco styler and putting it all down the shaft of my hair. And then I'm twisting very tight. Look how much left. Okay. Twisting, 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 twist, 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 twisting, twist, 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 twisting, twist, 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 twisting. The only thing is, once I get down here, I already know one is gonna be. They're slick similar. Okay, they're slick similar. I just gotta keep one over here and one over here. I'm gonna cut it. I'm definitely cutting it. Okay. Yeah, I feel better. Okay. And we are done. We are done. And that is it for HAIRtober. Thank you guys so much for just continuing this journey with me and just believing in me, because I definitely did not believe in myself. I really thought I was gonna stop at like day 10, not even gonna lie to you. And that's actually a stretch, probably like day 5. But we did it. We made all 31 freaking days. Yeah, so just for that, make sure you subscribe. Make sure, I literally did 31 days full straight out for you guys. For myself too, I guess, because I really did not have faith in myself, but for you guys, I definitely did it. So yeah, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back, because just because HAIRtober is over does not mean that we're not bringing more videos. So yeah. See you guys. Love you guys and thank you. You weren't gonna tell me this was curled up the whole time. Y'all could have told me that. Y'all definitely could have told me that. Okay. Now, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Bye.